How to record audio in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to record the audio on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to record audio, tap onto this button right here. Select it. Now you will see the projects that you have did. You can also add a new project by tapping onto this plus button right here. Now choose one project or photo or video. It's like this. Now to record audio, tap onto voice right here. Tap on it. Now tap onto this red button just like this. And now you can see your audio has been recorded, and tap onto the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can record audio into the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.